Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Got old Bella out and about. Been driving her for about the last 4 or 5 days. Got her all done. This is the interior. Used to have crank windows. Now she's got power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Dash is all back in there. No cracks. Headliner's not drooping no more. Yeah, she turned out real well. Yeah. Turned out real well. I like these years of Cummins. They're pretty loud, just idling. I refer to them as old knocky-knock motors. I find the motors kind of annoying at the drive-thrus. Always got to shut them off. I don't care. Yeah, got the cab forward, all of that done. Got to replace the bed on it yet, but that's a piece of cake there. That's the easy part. Here we get old Bella out and let her stretch her legs. Kind of funny what you get used to when you drive an old rusty truck and you get things all tightened back up. It's like driving a brand new truck all over again. Can't believe how much nicer she drives. And I can get in and out of the driver's side now. And no, I haven't caught myself yet trying to slide saddle it. Nope. I have to give thanks to Miss Melva for giving me Bella. She's starting to really take shape. And I have to give thanks to Mr. Josh down in Knoxville, Tennessee for the donation of the donor truck. Thank you guys very, very much. Appreciate it. Got her out, hooked her up to the trailer, and I think she brought a stray home. Yep, that looks like a stray on the back of that trailer. Yep. I kind of think that might be the next build. Cummins with a 6-speed. Yep. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. And we'll see y'all around. Thank you very much. Bye.